Hello guys, it's Jerry here, and today we'll be looking at a budget microphone aimed to elevate your voice in calls and recordings. Right now, you're actually listening to the sound coming straight out of the microphone. Having a clear voice online is more important than ever due to everyone being stuck at home. Some microphones sound exceptionally good with a very steep price, and on the other side of the spectrum, there are the cheap ones, which seem sketchy and honestly not very reliable. Luckily, I have here a microphone just in between those two spectrums that sound great and won't break your wallet. And this is the FIFINE K658 microphone, which comes in at $120 US. Quick shout out to FIFINE themselves for sending out the microphone for a review. However, this will not change my opinion about this mic. Compared to the more expensive microphones, this sounds exceptionally good, with some features that you might like. Inside the box, we can see everything nicely laid out. Of course, we have the microphone, the giant shock mount, a 2 meters long cable, and a hefty tripod. Immediately, I can feel how solid and sturdy the microphone is. Assembling is really easy. You just have to screw the mic to the shock mount and screw that to a tripod. However, I recommend having a boom arm, just so that you can move it around and keep it out of the way when not needed. I'm using the blue compass boom arm, which is minimal in design and very sturdy. Note that the microphone cannot attach to anything without the shock mount, which is quite annoying. This microphone uses a dynamic pickup pattern, which only picks up sound coming in from the front of the microphone and rejects sound from the side. Here's an example. This feature is great to have just to get rid of the sound you don't want to hear around you, and also the keyboard and mouse sounds when you're on a business call. One other feature I really like is the mute button and the gain dial. The gain dial is nice and big, and the mute button is actually touch sensitive, which means that you just have to tap it to mute. This is really helpful so you don't make a loud noise in a meeting if you want to mute. There is also a headphone jack that can output live audio feed from the mic and also the computer audio. And there is also RGB for the people who like it. You can just turn it off, of course. After everything said, this is genuinely a great mic on the budget side and worth picking up. It has a great sound, great controls, and features you won't find on other mics, especially considering the price. Since this is a keyboard channel, I will finish off the video with a sound test of my next build coming up. Stay tuned and show your support by subscribing and liking the video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.